Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to our channel. It's another video. So today's video is going to be a cooking video, so I'm going to be cooking rice and stew today. So I will take you guys along on how I prepare my rice and stew, so let me just show you guys what I am going to use. So Harriet is back from kindergarten. That's Harriet.
What's coming?
Yeah, how are you? Treasure has made her hair too. Show them your hair. So this is a natural hair you are seeing here, so let me show you guys what we are going to use. So guys, these are the stuff that I'm going to use. I have boiled this chicken already. So guys, I have used this thyme and curry to boil my meat. So this is onions and the shombo. To be using these onions to cook my tomatoes, to boil it. And this is still the part of shombo. So I will boil it with tomatoes. And this meat, this is fresh here. I am going to still boil this meat. This one is bone, it's cow bones. So I want to add these bones to it too, plus this, so this is fresh. I just put it inside water to melt. So I'm going to be adding this fresh to this chicken and akpomo to cook my stew. So see you soon, because we want to add this paprika to it. So my husband is going to go to supermarket to buy it. That's it guys, so let's dive into the video. So this is salt, this is for seasoning, or that seasoning, yeah. And also this one here you are seeing is Maggi cube. So let's start this video. I'm going to be boiling this meat now, so see you soon. I don't know why first I don't want to follow Christopher, and if you're also my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch my video. In case you haven't subscribed, please help your girls to subscribe to my channel and tell them to click the notification bell button on, so that whenever I upload a video you'll be notified. So this has started catching fire already, because these children, they are back from kindergarten. They are back from kindergarten, so there's nothing I can do about it. So if you are hearing their noise, please pardon me for that. I've finished boiling the pomo and the chicken. They want to even finish this chicken, so that's why when I'm cooking, I don't like to boil meat first. But whenever I just boil this chicken at first, my family will just be eating it. So I want to boil this tomatoes. It's because of my husband was not around since. That's why I could not even go to supermarket. So what I'm going to do next is because this pot is too small, I want to turn it here, because this is how I boiled my tomatoes before using. So I'm going to be using 3 Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using 3. So this is it. This shombo, I am removing the what did they call it, the seed. I know it as shombo, I want to boil it to cook, So I have put the meat to cook. So I did not wash it again. I have added salt to it. So you can use any types of seasoning that you want to use, because this is how I like boiling my meat. To boil these tomatoes before my husband will bring the paprika. Where's your butter? This one you're seeing here is salt. This is it. So I'm going to be removing the seed now, so that I can boil it too. I can cook it. So you not let the thing to play. You are tired. I have washed it before I started slicing it though. So see you soon. Yes. I did not add any water to it when I was cooking it. I didn't add any water to cook it. So I'm going to add oil to it now. Onions.